If you want to dress up in a way to have an impressive personality, then confidence is the best outfit to wear. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Namita and today I am going to talk about self-confidence. Self-confidence is very important for every individual, whether you are working, whether you are studying, whether you are having a business of your own, whatever you are doing in every sphere of life, we need to have self-confidence. So today I'm going to talk about 5 ways to boost your self-confidence. The first one is comparison. Well, I have always been telling you that don't compare yourself to other people. But today I'm saying that compare yourself to people who inspire you to become the best version of yourself. Look around you and there are people who you want to become like, the people who have impressive personality, the people who always inspire you. So look at those people and try to become like that. And when you compare yourself to them, you'll feel that you want to step up in life and reach their level. So comparison is good only if you are doing it with the people who are inspiring you, not with the people who are just pulling you down all the time. The second one is listen. Listen to your positive inner voice and take that action. Don't listen to people around you giving you suggestions, telling you to do this and do that. You know the best for yourself. Listen to that inner voice. It is screaming, it is telling you that this is the best thing for you. It is not that you don't know what is right for you and what is not. It is just that you're too busy listening to the outside voices, to the people around you, people who are there in your family, people who are your friends, who pretend to be your friends, I would say. You don't listen to your inner voice. The positive inner voice is telling you what is best for you. So you already know it. You just have to listen to it. Do it and take that action. The third one is talk to yourself. Talk to yourself in a way as you will talk to someone who you love. We are always so sweet and nice with people who we love. We always talk to them in such a gentle way. But when it comes to ourselves, we are always so negative. We never talk to ourselves positively. Think of the words that you have been using for yourself. Failure. I can't do this. No, this is not my cup of tea. No, I'm not capable. No, I'm not competent. No, I don't deserve it. So all this is something that you've been telling to yourself. But when you talk to the people you love, you talk to them so positively. You always give them a very positive response. You always talk to them in a very motivating way. You give them motivation. You tell them that they are capable, they are nice people. The ones you love, the one who you genuinely love, you always fill them with a lot of positivity. Now it is the time that you fill yourself with the positivity, and the words that you use are very powerful. So make sure that you choose what you say to yourself. Start talking to yourself like you talk to someone who you love, and realize that you need to fall in love with yourself as well. So if you're not talking to yourself in a loving way, that means you don't love yourself, and you should not have any reason not to love yourself. You are your first responsibility. Love yourself and start talking to yourself in a very loving manner. The fourth one is take care. Take care of yourself. We have always been so busy taking care of everybody around us because we are responsible beings, we are responsible sons and daughters, we are responsible husbands and wives, we are responsible girlfriends and boyfriends, we are responsible brothers and sisters, we are responsible mother and father. So we have to take responsibility of everyone, and under responsibility we have to take care of everyone else. But when are we going to take care of ourselves? See, no one will ever tell you that take care of yourself. Though people, whenever they are disconnecting a call, would say take care. It is just something to say. But do we actually take care of ourselves? Start taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional health. It is so important that you are taking care of your well-being. Your well-being is in your hands. So you have to take care of each aspect of your personality. The moment you start taking care of yourself, there is no way that you won't feel confident. Your self-confidence will automatically get a boost. So it is so important that you take care of yourself to feel confident. Now the fifth one is create boundaries for yourself. Now under the boundaries, I think I can create a separate video on how to create boundaries. If you wish, if you want me to create a separate video on how to create boundaries, I can do that. Just leave me a comment section below. But here in this video, I'll only mention that creating boundaries mean deciding who and what you want in your life. There are some people who are not very good for your mental health. They are just there in the name of friends, but deep inside you know that they are not right for you. You have to now disconnect yourself from them. There are certain habits which are not letting you succeed in life. You have to disconnect yourself from them. You don't need to say yes every time you want to say no. You don't have to accept every invitation. You don't have to cater to everyone's condition, if whether you are capable or not. So this is what comes under the boundaries, that you decide what you want and what you don't want. You have to create boundaries. You can't just be all over the place. It would not let you do things for yourself. You are always available for other people. You are just catering to everyone else's needs. And what are you going to do with your life? To feel confident, you have to have this one thing, that you set your boundaries. So this is the right time that you set your boundaries, because you are walking on the path of becoming a more confident you. So remember these 5 things. They are going to boost your self-confidence like anything. You'll feel very confident. You'll feel very good from inside. So these are certain things which are important. If you can inculcate them in your everyday life, then they are going to do wonders for you. So I'm going to end this video by saying take care of yourself. And this time I mean it. I mean that take care of yourself. Of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.